Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Conference hola long birta mai kipha Karbi Anglong long Prabjin Pen Village Council ke sengjialam peceta Difu Club along jutang cepacoy serai kepado Amri MSC ke parlo kaci community hola long mondor committee amai pukangwai BJP kimia ke banalam pen kacharwo Kardom Delhi Karbi prime time birta thanbang sami junaliti mungpi non birta angton pet narjik tha Karbi Anglong along Prabjin Pen Village Council seng tappo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Conference hola long phaikunisir ke pani birta mai phasi lasoalam birta hamphang phan than pachini Prabjin Pen Karbi Anglong along Village Council sengpo Village Committee ke seng jia phan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen non hejong drafting committee ta seng edlo Village Council ke seng pen si Karbi Anglong along kachingthur amo theklongji Sarwan ke pen ki nili prongkhang chinthong amri hai hu along rialong pangri un e Traditional system kachariar puki inut pen chotla pen bang pukang wai ta avi Village Council pen ke bang pukang wai our saita duji sarkar tangka ta rong group along sinang lepo Karbi Anglong along Prabjin Pen Village Council ke seng jialam Mor Singh Timung Chief Executive Member OSD Elvin Teron atum pensi birta mailong pecetak
Village Council bill আমি খুলিব লাগে এটু চলি আছে হেতু দ্যাট ইজ টেম্পোরারি কিন্তু পার্মানেন্ট এটা কমিটি আমি বনাব লাগে যাতে আমার ফাইনান্স কমিশনের পয়সা আহি পেলাই রুরাল এরিয়াসত যাতে টকা পয়সা কই পায়
birta mailong Amor Singh Tiso Dor Singh Rohang Lun Singh Teron atum chetong duan Osumaraphan lo thanwer nangji pora hut rongkhang educational block ke parlo Phongjangri nukan ALP school than bang Osumaraphan lo ke than kapangkri pusi KSA Hamren head branch atum kad news pherang ki aphan than pachini Osumaraphan lo thanwer nangji pora hut west Karbi Anglong lo rongkhang educational block ke parlo Phongjangri nukan ALP school than bang Osumaraphan lo ke than kapangkri pusi KSA Hamren branch mai putimuthi rong pipena jok akoi ki pialam kad news pherang ki aphan than pachini School than bang Osumaraphan lo ki than he anchot kali Osumaraphan enar lo chitim amit de mil ki pinang jialam ke than bang abang chi than let le lo pusonta kese ame pupen akoi pithu Osumarakayalam mathara Prabjin Pen School along wangsi Osumaraphan toklang thanang puputa kese pen than bang bidasing engleng aphan towar cholang
Biningang bong pen ladak labang sunon ke than bom ma teacher me chiklo ben selang li hadak posting lo lapen me chiklo walang li damdat pen rong sor pen report long teng pote alang li duty kebang high peak labang so duty kebang kang haya jok student am khas ta me dak jum de lo ni tum ka hum dam musta me student am hai jum het lasi tet pen mate labang so quality education ka pe dui van la quality teacher pen unda da phi anu ka prek tham rong hala bang chedam de pote koson si ladak quality education ke tu thaima lasi labang so sarlang unda da phi anu ko prek tham rong alang li chedam de pote labang nil tum Karbi lo charlia song hinan ko thek the lapan labang chok che pusni tum pu panji
bang ve thang chi pulo lo prang bang kala damning komite president alang li pansi patang pon tawara hok he pensalang chi pulo alang li ta bang pom bang tipu bang pia posipu stalang li bang chi bang ve alang la president si pra don bon la pen hala don prime thek the la se ko non bothot ngan them bang ke than u dat lo la se non la ti sang ho fansi pathan ham ha than alang li than lo la se non la 31 October ha alang lo November pen se November lo October puti October 31 pen se alang li yon la se hoptai ri wasatla par bang ke do ni tum tam ha trang sang ta than lo la se ni man ta ke bang bela mang ke ho
ali siang bong alang li class ke do ni tum thek don long o e ate dadak school la condition ta tum thek long lo meme bench ave desk ave apen teachers and student enrollment amata komo apen school hem la tundang hem school kitchens la haita awe ase la non alang li ko men tu pen ke join staff la so pen apinon alang li rang sinai ti si cherab non di theory baksi dolang cherab dolong ese piningkan si kang thangpo sita alang li class ke bang bani tum technolong hayo
Climate ke do henlo jakong laso lama phan RDPC phai kuni sir kebani difu club along jutang chipachoi seroi pado pusni litumalong birdanang pale iklaivet ke do henlo jakong laso lam senga phan RDPC rengman naga student union dimasa student union mantai student and youth garo student union tiwa cultural society pen difu club along phai kuni sir kebani jutang kechipachoi seroi pado jutang chipachoi seroi ajai mekalong inglong ake jutang lun kan paklang si ning isi ke doang tek chipaklang Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ke Parlo Sport and Youth Welfare Amepo Peng Piga Rengma Deputy Commissioner Mukul Kumar Saikia Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretary Barim S Chek Pen Pinang an lo Charlie Asongja tum chetong dun non malom so por fan birta muington peksana a huge Deepavali Dhamaka offer on electronic appliances. So complete your home with electronic with the best technology. Come and grab with the best offer on LED TV 24-inch with the best price of only rupees 5,000 with 1-year warranty. 32-inch of rupees 7,300 only. Android Smart TV of 40-inch, 45-inch and 55-inch at the lowest price. On special offer in inverter battery, luminous and inverter battery with solar, iron and steel bed with an affordable price. For more details, kindly contact 8812053818, 93656322872 or 8638198316. Cedar Electronics Shop located at Bokulia Difu Road, 782482 Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam Enterprise and the Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Also a huge Durga Puja offer on Swati brand, an offer you cannot refuse. Ganj Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Claret Unisex Beauty Parlor hinben Warsai Kimi Kipipon. Lasi Lasonawar Saikimi along Ninghangatum Ali Chuan Dunikha. Warsai Kimi, Laki Chiklu John Trokopan Kapamala Siki Piponji. Lasi Apor Panhok Hipin Pen, Claret Unisex Beauty Parlor along Patibok Damiknon, Rong Parpi, Rong Berot, near Iron Bridge, Dipu Karbi Anglong. Lasi Lance Sekachini Lethodjia Pan, Laswa number 600-121-3664 along Humriknon.
Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot, a place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014-33731, 93652-07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong. Wang tha wang ik tha electronic hormone ang litum ador kijum hek pen longpon ikji lase apor pacheton dun pen warsai kemi chuen dun iksana nang litum longpon ikji lake fridge long aprin LG Samsung Sony Whirlpool Haier TV long aprin do lake LG Samsung BPL Akai. Washing machine na brand laki Samsung, LG, Haier. Lapen ke tutulang plastic chair table, steel lapen plywood furniture, lapen ke solar inverter da longkon ikjim. Lasinang litum nang humri ignon Asok Prasad Chateri, Bukulia Electronic and Electrical Akulat, Bukulia Main Market, Karbi, Assam.
Chloride Beauty Salon Unisex is opening its door for 6-month crash course on beautician and cut. Interested person may kindly come and contact Chloride Beauty Salon Unisex near Iron Bridge, Karbi Road, Dipu, Karbi. Document requirements are recent photograph, voter ID, and caste certificate.
Dihina mo biputat birta long wang tulo. Bukajan subdivision Lolang Tibuk Baptist Church along Paikunisir Kepani Lo Charlie Ostomarpen Anam Kardo Mamai Pado Pusinilituma Perangkepen Nilitumalong Birtanang Pale. HDP Delay Lapen Rong Berok Tang Sunday at Church Atum Ching Room Pen Paikunisir Kepani Lang Tibuk Baptist Church along Charlie Ostomaratum Anam Kardo Mamai Padosi Anamapan Hirjumi Chohang Hatukajan Believer Eastern Church Adevren Chandan God Pen Anam Kardom Arpudeng Pon. Amri BJP Mondor Committee में पुकांग वाई जियाफान पूरा फाइकुनी सिरके पानी काची कम्युनिटी हॉल अलोंग मैं पुकांग वाई पादो पुसी आमरी पे निलितुमा फेरंग के करन्यू सलोंग बेटानंग पले BJP अकीमी अकीबान अलाम पेन कचार वो साई अंगबोंग फाइकुनी सिरके पानी आमरी MSC कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी आलो काची कम्युनिटी हॉल अलोंग BJP Mondor Committee में पुकांग वाई पादो मैं पुकांग वाई अलोंग अकीमी BJP पेन Sapindro rong hi aphan mai pula pen akiban BJP pen jiten puma aphansi mai puarpu ingwai pondo isiben amai puang hoy aphan bahinia mai pukidoko kajok apikulo so mai pu aphansi kedeng jima la so alam pen charbo si hem chepang norinti birta ke to ahud an ya akiban amai pu jiten puma aphansi mai puang hoy pek tulo pusi phirang ke pen card ni salong birta nang palitu Karbi prime time ang kilapon sa kang ton pegla, dumithak me, kuwang tu.